Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Remitly application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if your Remitly application is not working as properly as it is supposed to, or if you have not set up auto update on your device, then open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Remitly and start your search. Once you find the Remitly application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on it in order to install the latest updates. Tap on the update button and wait for a while until the installation is completed. Once the update is done, you will see the open button once again, which you can click on in order to start using the Remitly application on its latest updates. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Remitly application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.